Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SEO keyword research with Semrush step by step clearly. Start by opening your browser and navigating to the Semrush website. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial to access the full range of tools. Once logged in, head to the main dashboard to locate the tools available. Click on the Keyword Research tab found in the left sidebar menu. From the drop-down, select Keyword Overview to begin your research. Enter a keyword related to your niche in the search bar. Click the Search button to generate keyword data. Review the Overview section to see important details like search volume, keyword difficulty, and trends. Scroll down to explore the Keyword Variations section for related phrases. Take note of long-tail keywords that have lower competition yet significant search volume. Next, navigate to the Questions section to discover commonly asked questions around your keyword. These questions often provide excellent content ideas to engage users. Now, check the Related Keywords section for additional ideas that can broaden your strategy. Consider using filters to refine your results based on location, language, or search volume. Once you've gathered your keywords, click on the Keyword Magic tool to expand your research. Enter your main keyword again for a more comprehensive keyword report. In this tool, you can further analyze keywords based on their intent, informational, navigational, or transactional. Review the keyword suggestions, and focus on those with a balance of search volume and low difficulty. Use the Add to Keyword Manager feature to create a list for easy access later. After compiling your keywords, navigate to the Keyword Manager tab to review them. This organized list allows you to prioritize your keywords based on relevance and potential impact. Next, perform a gap analysis by comparing your keywords against competitors in the Domain Analysis tool. Identify keywords that your competitors are ranking for that you are not. Finally, export your list by clicking the Export button in the Keyword Manager for easy reference. Now you have a robust keyword list ready to enhance your SEO strategy with Semrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.